we see a touch. Let's show you a touch. The laws of the game says holding and touch. So touch an offense or not? We see here Lilepo going past and then hands were used to touch. And then football does not accept minor holding. You see there, just a small touch and then he decides to fall. He's even falling before the contact is made because he anticipates trying to buy. You know, at times you take a chance. But if you proceed going forward and then they block you, that's impeding. Now when you see a touch...
He wasn't blocked there?
No, it was a touch.
You didn't stand in front of him?
Remember, football is a contact sport. Now, when you feel a touch and then you fall before even the ball comes in.
But did he stand in front of him?
No. You know, if you move, and then he feels a touch, he falls. So that touch, touching is not an offense. Holding and pushing, it's an offense. And football does not accept minor holding. It must have, it must impede. And it must not be a minor one. So if you look at it there, you'll see that Uvele asked, we as well before. So that tells you, and mood ya jumpisa, and Ubadu Vela Bonagata, we young Tanga Ulilep at Ayeke. Let's go to Maswanga. Here, there's what we call offside. The law says it is not an offense to be in an offside position. Now, when there are two players going to the ball, the referee must wait and see, or the assistant referee must wait and see who will play the ball between the two players. Now, if we freeze here, when we draw our line, you will see that there are two players, Orlando Pirates players, in an offside position. You see here, there's Mahopa. There's Hoto as well in an offside position. We have Maswanganye there who's in an onside position. Now, when the situation is like this, you must wait and see who will play the ball. Let's go and see who plays the ball between Mahopa and Maswanganye in an onside position. When the ball is played, let's see. And then when we see that, we see Maswanganye is already in front. He's the one who's going to play the ball. So you cannot punish Maswanganye coming from an onside position. Play should have been allowed to continue. Unfortunately, it was ruled offside, which is incorrect decision by the assistant referee in this match. Right, let's go to the last one. Here we also teach, because I don't know where the players don't understand the offside law. But we're going to break it down to them. We said, number one, it is not an offense to be in an offside position. You see Mahopa here in an offside position. When we stop it there, he's in an offside position. Now, the assistant referee will wait and see if he will challenge an opponent for the ball. If he challenges an opponent for the ball, flag goes out.
One by one.
It's not enough. We can't flag him here. We'll wait and see. Let's see what he will do there. So as play goes on, you will see that the assistant referee is slowly going. Now he's challenging an opponent for the ball. When he does that, he's now interfering with an opponent. So therefore, flag goes up from Kamu Ramutsindel for offside. So this is correct decision. What Mahopa should have done, should have waited for the players to hold the ball and then move, then he challenged. Now he challenged the ball from an offside position. Correct decision by Ukamu for flagging for offside.